Hi everyone. Okay, so very quickly, let me show you what the drops look like, because people keep asking me, what do the drops look like? They're very small drops. Pick up some oil in your dropper and literally just allow the oil to be pulled out of the dropper by gravity. That was one drop. You see, that was the size we're talking about. This is a second drop. 3, 4, 5. Literally, that's all you need to take. 5 drops in the morning, 5 drops at night if you're an adult, 500 milligram or 750 milligram. And then you can increase your drops or reduce your drops as you feel. Okay, but we do recommend that you take the drops 15 to 30 minutes before or after you've had a meal or something to drink, just so that the CBD oil has enough time to get into the bloodstream without interacting with anything that you have eaten. Also, if you are on medication of any sort, it's advisable to give at least 2 to 3 hours between when you take the CBD oil and when you take your prescription medication, because we don't want an interaction. If you are on blood thinners, any kind of blood thinner, if you have high blood pressure or hypertension, be very careful that you don't take a blood thinner around the same time as you take a CBD oil, because the CBD oil does the same thing a blood thinner would do for people who have hypertension or high blood pressure. So it helps to lower your pressure. So be very careful. Keep an eye on your numbers. And if you find that there's any interaction going on, you've got to reduce the drops of CBD oil and give more time between when you take your oil and when you take your other prescription medication. All right? Thank you, guys.